In this video, I'm going to clear up all the confusion about using Litematica on the internal server and answer one of the most common question: is it actually possible and how does it work? By the end of this video, you will fully understand what Litematica can and cannot do in multiplayer. So first thing first, Litematica is a client-side mode, and what this means is simple. When you install Litematica, it runs only on your game client, not on the server itself. Because of this, you can join almost any server using Litematica even if the server doesn't have Litematica installed. Other players aren't using it. As long as client-side modes are allowed, you won't be blocked. This is where most people get confused because Litematica is designed for client-side and single-player use. It is impossible to install Litematica directly as a server mode. So no, you cannot add Litematica to an eternal server the same way you add normal server plugins. If you and your friends want to build the same schematic together, here's how it works. Every player must install Litematica individually. Each person loads the same schematic on their own client. That's the only way everyone can use Litematica at the same time on a multiplayer server. And if you check the Eternal Server plugin list and look for anything related to Litematica, the only important one is the KOU plugin. This plugin allows sharing schematics between players, multiplayer coordination only if everyone already has Litematica installed. And the plugins does not replace Litematica. This is important to understand. It only adds sharing functionality. And here's the correct way to use Litematica on an eternal server. Every player install Litematica on their own client. The internal server install the KOU plugin. Players can now share and coordinate schematics, but again, installing Litematica itself on the server is not possible. This video is not meant to spread misinformation. Its purpose is to help you understand the limitation and real functionality of Litematica in multiplayer environment. Litematica works amazingly, but only within its intended design. If this video cleared up your questions, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.